The Payments section in DCDial CoPilot gives you a complete view of all financial activity. To access it, click Payments from the main dashboard. At the top, use the drop-down to switch between payments and payment plans. Payments show individual transactions, while payment plans show custom plans and agreements with multiple installments. You can choose between the default list view or calendar view to visualize payments by date. Use filters to narrow results by status, payment method, owner, or date range. Use the search bar to find payments by name, account ID, phone number, email, or order ID. Click the three-dot menu next to any payment to access available actions, like retry or send receipt. You can also refund successful payment or process another payment. Options vary based on the payment type and status. To learn more about each payment action, please visit our knowledge base for a detailed breakdown. In the Payment Plans tab, you can review all scheduled payment plans, view their details, and update them when needed. It's the easiest way to manage recurring payments and keep every agreement on track. Click the three-dot menu next to the payment plan to edit or preview it. That's it for this demo. See you in the next video.